Smoggies, smoky, oily, greasy. Smoggies, Smoggies, smoky, oily, greasy. Have you met the Smoggies? We love the soot and grime. We make the whole world dirty, and we have a real good time. We love to make things messy, just as dirty as can be. And you can bet we'll mess you up ecologically. Suntots, earth and wind and sea. Suntots, earth and wind and sea. Make way for the Suntots, a neat and tidy crew. We'll stay young forever, and we want the same for you. If we get your magic coral, then forever young we'll be. Do you think you'll find it somewhere in our clear blue sea? Suntots, earth and wind and sea. Suntots, Smoggies, whoa. We use the water, wind and sun to make our homes and gadgets run. Where else can you have such fun environmentally? Come and see our island and smell the sea sweet breeze. There we'll live forever, just as happy as you please. With the Suntots and the Smoggies, choose the way the world will be. A messy mess or shiny clear ecologically. Suntots, earth and wind and sea. Smoggies, smoky, oily, greasy. Suntots, earth and wind and sea.
What happened to the hot water?
Good morning, Apple Crisp.
It's a rotten morning, Clarence. It's freezing in here. Get my warm bathrobe, Polluto.
Oh, I know. The boilers are off. We're out of matches again.
Well, get more matches before I catch pneumonia, Clarence.
There are no more matches, Strawberry Puff. No, don't worry. I've solved the problem once and for all.
Oh, what problem have you solved, Clarence? I'm still freezing.
We'll never run out of matches again. I'm going to make a lifetime supply of matches. I have built a machine.
This is beginning to sound like one of your awful contraptions, Clarence.
Not a contraption, Raisin Bran. A surefire matchmaking machine. Oh, you must trust me.
I love the smell of the rainforest.
Look at it go!
Huh?
Honk, 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 honk. It's gonna jump in the window!
Yuck, yuck.
What's so interesting over there?
It's like a bouncing monkey.
Oh, a fongo. Hello?
No way it's going to attack us!
Scaredy, fongos are friendly.
Hey, look at me. I'm a fungo. Me eat Scaredy. Yuck, yuck.
Let me out of here!
Yuck, yuck.
Stop that, Trix. Come down before... Trix, are you all right?
Yuck, yuck.
Honk.
All we need is matches. What are we doing in the jungle, Clarence?
The Tanglewood tree plum pudding, the best wood for matches in the world. And it only grows in the rainforest. Ouch!
Who cares about tangleroot, Clarence? Let's get this over with.
Sweetbread, have a little patience. Tangleroot splits nicely, burns slowly, leaves no ash. Oh, ow! Sheesh. There, that's it. Tangleroot. Pluto, quick, bring the axe.
Okay, Captain.
Just chop down the tree, Peluto.
Yes, sir, Captain, right away. The little birdie lost his house.
Clarence, let's get this ordeal over with.
Keep going, Peluto. The birds can move someplace else.
Okay. You and Miss Emma know best.
Come on.
I don't wanna.
Isn't this spooky?
Let's go back inside.
Listen, I can talk to the animals. Wanga, ganga, boot, mooga, googa, dook.
Honk, 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 honk. Go away!
He won't hurt you. Look.
Honk.
Steady!
Trix, hey, come back! Help me!
Don't worry, I'll do something.
Timber!
Finally.
Miss Emma!
Oh, no!
Don't you know enough not to stand under a falling tree?
Sorry, Miss Emma. I was trying to.
Get out of there. You look like a peanut.
Oh, Cupcake! This is my matchmaking machine.
How does it work?
Watch this.
Well.
Help! Trix, come back!
Trix, you stay here with Chip and keep everyone inside the train.
Please let me come with you. I feel awful.
Don't worry, Trix. We'll find Scaredy.
Go, Humpalumps. Let's find Scaredy. Scaredy!
Scaredy! Where are you? I don't think he could have got this far.
What do you think, Oscar? Let's try this way. Wait, did you hear something?
Scaredy!
Let's keep going. We have to walk. Scaredy! It's Speed! Can you hear me?
Scaredy!
I'm here. I hear you.
It's him! We're coming, Scaredy!
Pluto, what exactly do you think you're doing?
Loading the matches onto the sled, Miss Emma.
Can't you see there's too many for the sled? If you put any more on, the whole pile will spill.
What do you think, Ralph? Oh, yeah. Thanks, Ralph. What's this, Miss Emma? The captain invented this.
There. Now I think we have enough matches. You see how simple it was, chocolate dumpling? The Stinky Poo's boilers will never fail again.
Darling. You're wonderful. Now let's get out of this cesspool.
Wait, the last one.
Why don't you light it, Peluto, to celebrate?
Yeah. Hey, it works real good. Now, make a wish and blow it out.
It's not a birthday party, mushhead.
Oh, I knew that.
Clarence, do something.
I...
Scaredy! Help! Hurry!
Don't worry, we're almost there.
I can't hang on much longer. Help! I'm going to fall! How did you get all tangled up like that?
Am I happy to see you?
What happened to you, Scaredy?
Oh, Trick scared me and the fungo made a noise. I jumped up and got yanked off the train. I ran and ran, and then all the monsters started chasing me.
Scaredy, monsters don't exist.
Oh, yes, they do. I heard them all over the forest. They made me run here, and then one of them attacked me. Yay! It's the monsters! Get them away!
Relax, Scaredy. We're trying to get you down.
Scaredy, animals are our friends. You really don't have to be afraid of them.
Take it easy, Scaredy.
What's wrong, Scaredy?
Behind!
Oh, no!
No, Scaredy, come back. Don't go by yourself.
Scaredy!
You promised me a new pair of sneakers, Captain?
I promise.
Hurry, Clarence. All right, Pluto. Bring the log.
I'm coming!
Get closer to the spray, Peluto.
Pluto, this is no time for a swim.
Never mind. It's not working.
Pluto, use the log to splash water.
Okay, Miss Emma.
Ah!
I've got it. We'll smother the fire with earth.
Good thinking, Clarence.
I'll help, Captain.
Good, Pluto. Keep it up. Pluto!
Stop, Peluto.
Oops.
Get me out of here!
Sorry.
Are you all right, Green Puff?
Pull harder. Oh!
Emma! Peach Blossom! Where are you?
You bubble-headed bag of baloney.
Help!
Stop Scaredy, we're right behind you.
Yay!
Close call.
Oh, Princess Leela, I'm scared.
Me too.
This way. We're trapped. Our only chance is to cut off the fire. Quick, help me. We need big pieces. Okay, use them as shovels. We need to dig a trench all around ourselves.
Gophers, help us dig.
We're not gonna make it.
Keep digging. A fungo.
Please help us dig.
Fungos can't dig.
Oh, that's how you can help, Fongo. Use your bugle to call for help.
Yeah, give it everything you've got, Fungo. Thanks, Gopher.
Where's your friend?
Over there.
No, you're on the wrong side. Come back.
Come back to this side. Oh, no. I can't get through.
I can get through. I'm smaller.
No, it's too dangerous.
I'm coming, Gopher. Here, grab my hand. Oh, no.
Harder, Scaredy. Try harder.
You can do it, Scaredy.
Ah!
Hooray! You're safe now.
I'd say Scaredy wasn't scared at all.
It's Pelican Pete and...
I think it's every pelican on Coral Island. Boy, are we glad to see you, Pete.
Take Gopher to Miss Dr. Pete. He's hurt. Scaredy, you go with him and make sure he's all right.
Me? Fly on Pelican Pete? No way. I'm too scared. Yay!
Hang on to Gopher. Don't let him fall.
Don't worry, Gopher.
You have to take care of him, Scaredy.
Here, Miss Doctor, take Gopher. I've got to go back and rescue Speed and Princess Leela. Hit it, Pete. Bye, Miss Doctor.
There. Now you look better. Honk, 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 honk. Scaredy, you're safe.
Thanks to Scaredy and Pete, they saved us all.
Well, it was all the Pelicans that put out the fire.
And some great bugling from the fongos.
What started the fire?
Oh, we don't know.
Yoo-hoo! We need help! What can they be doing here?
They look funny.
Did you Smoggies have anything to do with the forest fire?
Sure, we started it. It all...
Turn it off, motor mouth.
What?
He means we started to put it out, but we couldn't.
No, Miss Emma. We did start the fire with our matches. Don't you remember?
I knew it! You Smoggies have gone too far this time. Let's throw them off Coral Island once and for all.
I'm afraid there's more urgent things to do. We must find new homes for all the animals.
Yes, but... Well, I suppose you're right, Princess Leela.
The forest is damaged, but it will recover. It's the animals who have lost their homes that need our help.
I've got it. Let's use the train.
The train?
To bring them to the undamaged part of the forest.
Wonderful idea. Let's all help the animals board the train.
Sure thing, Princess Leela. Come on, guys.
Huh?
Everybody stay in line. Take your time. Move to the front of the car there.
Come, Clarence, we're going back to the stinky poo.
Just 1 minute. You're not going to get away with this. You Smoggies are going to help us. You can clear all the burnt wood off the train tracks.
Us? Do menial labor? Never.
Good idea, Speed.
I'd love to help, but I have a sore hand. Ooh. On second thought, come on, Polluto, get to work.
You won't forget my sneakers, Captain.
I won't.
Okay, you too, Clarence.
All aboard!
Look, everyone! They're migrating home despite the fire. Everything's gonna be okay.
Hurry it up, Smoggies.
It's only fair, Miss Emma. We started the fire.